Dia gwich gach dinne, an seachtain seo baimid ag fálam faoi na brithre navrialta. So this week we'll be learning about irregular verbs. Ach dús, táimid chun fechant brithre rialta. So first we're going to look at a regular one, just chun cuimhnú cad a dhéanamhid, just to remember on what will we do. Okay, so this is a regular verb, dún. And we start with the name of the verb, dún, to close. We can use that by itself without making any changes, just to give an order or an instruction. So, dún an doras, close the door. Dún do bhála scoile, close your school bag. Dún an leabhar, close the book. After that we have what I call the ing part of the verb, and we always use the word egg for that. If we want to say we're closing, we say tá mé ag dúna. Say that with me. Tá mé ag dúna. I am closing. And then we have an adjective to say that something is closed. So tá an doras dúnta. The door is closed now. Say that with me. Tá an doras dúnta. Okay, so we have our egg, which means ing, and we have our adjective to say that whatever we wanted to happen has happened. Now we're going to look at our I'm sure catcha, past tense, I'm sure loihruk, present tense, and I'm sure ashnuk, future tense. We can make changes to the beginning of the verb, and you'll see I do those in blue. We can make changes to the end of the verb, and I'll have done those in pink. And for each one of the tenses, I'll have one particular thing that I think it's very important for you to remember. So let's have a look. And I'm sure catcha, the past tense. So inye, yesterday, and seachtain seo catcha, last week, me ó hin, a month ago. Rún, me, tú, sé, she, shiv, and siad. So rún, my change here is a shevu. And we remember that shevu on a consonant looks like a H, and on a vowel it looks like a D apostrophe. So my big change here is the shevu in the past. Rún, me, tú, sé, she, shiv, siad. And we could use somebody's name, so we could say Rún Niall, Niall closed, or we could use like a thing, so Rún an Moonshore, the teacher closed. The one you're noticing isn't here is we, because we have a special ending for we, amur. So shin means we, and when we say we closed, we don't actually use the person word, we kind of have it stuck on with this new ending. So it's rún amur, we closed. If we want to ask a question, we use our question word, rún, did you close? To answer the person, we just say rún, we give them the verb back, rún, I did close. And if we want to say I didn't, we use our negative word, which is near. So, what's important here? Amur is our we ending. Is our question word. Near is our negative answer. But really, if I was to pick one thing that would be the most important thing for you to remember for the I'm sure catcha, it is the shevu, okay, which is a H on a consonant, D apostrophe on a vowel. Okay, inish, and I'm sure loihruk. So this is the present tense, things we do every day. Gach law, every day. Gach seachtain, every week. Gach blian, every year. So our big change here comes at the end of the verb. Okay, we have no change at the beginning of the verb. We just have one at the end, and it's on. Okay, if this was a brithre quail, if this was a narrow verb, it would still be on, but it would be spelled a little different. So, dúnan, tú, sé, she, shiv, and siad. You, he, she, you lot, and they close it every day. So, dúnan. Now, you might notice there's two things missing, because in the I'm sure loihruk we have the special ending for we, but we also have a special ending for me as well. So, it's dúna míj, we close, dúnum, I close. Dúna míj, we close, dúnum, I close. And then our question word and our negative word are different now. It's on, and it gets an uru. on noonan, and then we'd answer with doonum or doonan, depending on who was being asked, and ni unum, ni runum. So we do have a H here, and usually when we're giving a negative answer, we do add a H. So ni runum. What's important here? It's a mead and those two endings for we and me. But really, if you forgot those, the most important thing for you to remember here is the ending, which is on for this one, because he's Lahan. But if he was quail, it would be on with an E. That's your most important thing to remember for I'm sure Láithreach, is that your ending is on. Okay, now, I'm sure Ashnach, future tense. So that's things like amórach, tomorrow, and igyaun, which means in a. So igyaun bliana, in a year, igyaun shachtana, in a week. So what's our ending here? It's fi. Some people pronounce it fi, some people pronounce it he. So it's dún fi me to she shiv shiad. Dún fi. We'll notice again, we have a special ending for we, but we don't have a special ending for me anymore. The special ending for me only happens in the I'm sure Láithreach. So dún famij. And then again, our question word is on. So it's on with an uru, on noon fi. My answer is just giving the verb back to them, dún fi. And my negative answer is ni with a H, ni chún fi. So again, the most important thing to remember here is your ending, fi. And we can see there's a slightly different spelling depending on whether it's quail or Lahan. So that's our regular one. Now we're going to have a look at an irregular one and see if you can spot the differences. Okay? So we're going to look at Déan. Again, using the name of the verb to give instructions. Déan do oberwalje. Do your homework. Déan breakfasta done. Make breakfast for me. We have our ing part, which is egg. Tá mé egg déanamh. I am making. So say that with me. Tá mé egg déanamh. I am making or doing. Make or do. And then I have my adjective, which is dainta. The cake is made. It's made now. The thing I wanted to happen is finished. So say that with me. Tá an caca dainta. So what are we expecting in our I'm sure Katja? We're expecting to add a H, aren't we? And oh my goodness, look at that word. It looks nothing like Déan. So this is why this is irregular. It doesn't follow the rules. So instead of Déan here we have rinne. Rinne me to she, shiv, shiad, rinne mer. Okay, we still have a different ending for we, so that's kind of the same as before, but we've a big change here, which is rinne. Now our question should be air and near, but in fact it's anjarna, which is very different. Anjarna, rinne to say yes I did do it or I did make it, and niarna to say no I didn't do it, no I didn't make it. So a big change there with rinne. It doesn't look anything like the name of my verb, and my anjarna is using an on for the question when it should be an air, and my niarna is using a ni for the negative when it should be a near. So there's lots of different things there in the I'm sure Katja. Let's have a look now at the I'm sure Láithreach. And oh look, this does look like the last verb. So this is kind of following my regular rules with my an. So Déanan, Déanamij, Déanum. On for my question with an uru, which is like the regular rule. Déanum to say yes I do do it or I do make it. And ni dhéanam with a H to say no I don't. So in my I'm sure Láithreach, it kind of looks like a regular verb. It obeys all the rules we were just talking about. What about my I'm sure Ashnach? I'm sure Ashnach, Déan Feic. Well, oh yeah, that is like the rules we know before. Déan Famij, yeah, that's also like the rules that we learned for the regular ones. And I wonder what the question is going to be. On with an uru, on Déan Feic, Déan Feic, and ni Déan Feic. So do you notice here with Déan, it is irregular, Okay, it is breaking the rules, but it's only breaking them in the Aimsir Catcha. In the Aimsir Loihrach and the Aimsir Aisneach, it does actually follow the rules that the regular ones do. So what's the most important thing for you to remember here? The Aimsir Catcha, and specifically an Yarna and ní Yarna, because those just are particularly different. So if you can remember, for Déan, all you need to remember is rinne in the Aimsir Catcha, and that the Aimsir Catcha question, the past tense question, is odd. An Yarna and ní Yarna. Okay, let's have a look at another one. So which means to eat. So again, we use the name of the verb to give orders. Ith do bhric eat your breakfast. We have an egg, which is our ing part. Tá mé ag ithe, I am eating. And we have an adjective to say the thing is done. Tá an dinner itche, the dinner is eaten. Okay, let's have a look and see how much it follows the rules and how much it breaks them. So Aimsir Catcha, we're dealing with a vowel, so I'd be expecting a D apostrophe and, oh look, yeah, it's a D apostrophe. Di, me, tu, she, shiv, shiad. Okay. Next I'd be expecting an amur for we. Dihamur. Okay, so that is the same. In my past, I would be expecting my question would be and my negative answer would be near. Di, near Okay, you will notice here that usually when we have our ni, there's a H, but we don't do that with vowels. Okay, so that's why there's no vowel there. So far, my Aimsir Catcha completely obeys the rules that all the other verbs do. Let's have a look, will the same thing happen with the Aimsir Loihrach? So I'd be expecting an as my ending. Ihan, yeah, it is the same. There's a little difference in the spelling because this one is narrow, but it's still following the rules. Ihan, tu, she, shiv, and shiad. Next, I'd be expecting a special ending for we, which would be imij, and a special ending for me, which would be Let's see. Ihamij, okay, and iham, okay. Now I'd be expecting that my question word in the Aimsir Loihrach would be an, and that my negative answer would be ni. An nihan, with my uru, iham, and ni iham, and remembering that because it's a vowel, that's why there's no H. So okay, so here my Aimsir Catcha obeys the rules, and my Aimsir Loihrach obeys the rules. But I know this one is irregular, so I'm probably expecting that if there's going to be a funny change, it's coming next. So, can you remember, what would you expect this to be if it was regular for the Aimsir Aisneach? I'd be expecting fi, because my ending is fi. Fi, and, oh look, a big change here. The beginning of the verb has totally changed, and that's why this one is irregular. So I have isfi, me, tu, she, shiv, shiad, isfamij for we, and then my question an nisfi, isfi, and ni isfi. So here all of the rules with the endings are the same. It's just that change at the beginning to is. So what do we need to remember about I? Well, its Aimsir Catcha is normal. Its Aimsir Loihrach is normal. In its Aimsir Aisneach, the endings are normal. The only thing I need to remember here is the is. So I need to remember isfi. That's the really important thing I need to remember. Okay, we're going to look at one last verb for today, and that'll be it. So, next, feic, which means to see. So again, you would use feic to give somebody an order. So if you wanted to say, see the bird, you'd say feic an ain. Now really, you probably wouldn't, because you would be more likely, instead of saying see the bird, you'd be more likely to say look at the bird. But that's how we would give an order. We would just say the word feic. Then we have to have an egg part to do our INGs. So I am seeing. Tá mé ag feiceáil, I am seeing. Tá mé ag feiceáil. And then we need an adjective to say it's happened, which would be like seen. I've seen it. So tá an chlór feice I have seen the programme. Tá an chlór feice. So try that with me. Tá mé ag feiceáil. I am seeing. Tá an chlór feice. I have seen it. So, what would we be expecting here in our past tense? Well, it's an F, so I would put a H on it. But I know that when I put a H on an F, it sounds like a vowel, so I have to do a D apostrophe as well. So I'd be expecting to see deck. And what do I see? Something completely different. And that's how we know that this one is irregular. So I have connic, me, tu, she, she, shiv, shiad. Connic amur for we. And then if this was playing by the rules, I'd be expecting chonic and near chonic. But oh look, I have something completely different here. An vaca. So you say that with me. An vaca, did you see it? Chonic, I did see it. Niaka, I didn't see it. So there's a big change here. The whole verb word is totally different, and the question words and the negative answer words are totally different. Just like with rinne, big changes in the past tense. Now let's see what's going to happen in the present. If it was playing by the rules, I'd expect fecin and fecum. And oh look, it does play by the rules here. Fecin tu, she, she, shiv, shiad. Fecimij for we, and fecum for me. I'd expect on for my question and ni for my negative answer. On vecin, fecum, and ni ecum. So here we are in our Aimsir Loihruk, totally playing by the rules. I wonder will that continue for the Aimsir Ashnuk. I would be expecting fec fi or feci, depending on how you pronounce it, and fec femij. So let's see. And yeah, fec fi, me, tu, she, she, shiv, shiad. Fec femij. On veci, feci, and ni eki. So again, Aimsir Loihruk totally playing by the rules. Aimsir Ashnuk totally playing by the rules. And the big thing we need to remember here is that past tense is connic, but the big one to remember, because the question words are extra weird, it's an vaca and ni aka. So I hope that you will be able to remember those. We're going to have a bit of work for you to do to practice them, okay? If you're finding it difficult, just come back to the video. So there's going to be a sheet for Déan, so just come back and watch the Déan piece again if you need to. There's going to be a sheet for Feic, so just come back and watch the Feic piece again if you need to. And there's going to be a sheet for Ith. So again, just come back and watch that bit again if you need to. But hopefully you'll remember it from this. So good luck with that. Agus slán.